based door lock system using Arduino. So we will open Tinkercad, click on create, click on circuits, and then we will take all the required components. That is, first is Arduino, then we need one buzzer, then we need micro servo motor, okay. Then we need is one LCD, IC2, okay, I2C, and then place it over here, and last keypad. This 4x4 keypad. Okay, just a minute, we will adjust this properly so that we can see, okay, all the connections properly. Okay, now we will start making the connections. This, then second, then and then this row 2 to your D8, and then row 1 to D9. Okay, so this we have made connections for keypad. Okay, we will make for this buzzer. I will just switch the ports, positive this side and negative this side. And for positive, we will connect it to 11. Okay, change its color to red, and then negative to ground. Okay, and we will change its color to black. Now for motor connections, I will just rotate this motor. Okay, done. And now I will place it over here. I will just adjust this more. Okay, now first is what? Signal. So we will connect it to pin number 10. Okay, I will suppose make its color red. Okay, then it is power. So we are connecting power to 3.3 volt. Okay, how much? 3.3 volt. Okay, and then last ground. And the ground and make color black. Okay, now make the connections for LCD. We will connect this to ground. Then next power, we will connect this to 5 volt over here. Okay, I will change its color to red, and then SDA, change its color to some of the color, suppose blue, and then last change its color to purple. Okay, so this is all the connections we have made now, and for this we have to select ECF based and address also 390227. Okay, now we'll write the code, and for code blocks, text, continue, I will just, okay, we'll paste the code, and here you can see that I have set the password to 0, 1, 2 and 3. So our password is 0, 1, 2, 3. Now we will start simulation. Let's see. So it is working. Welcome to door lock system. Enter password. What is our password? 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, it's taking time, 2, and then 3. Okay, see, 0, 1, 2, 3 is been typed, and you will click on